So hey there viewers, so I just want to do this quick video for you. I'm working on a K24 motor. The reason why I have the head off is because this cylinder here is burning some coolant. As you can see, it's a lot, you know, it's a lot different than the other ones because it's kind of cleaner, right? Just that one. And things that you don't anticipate when you take everything apart is when I pull it off and I put it at top dead center, the timing chain is stretched. So we're gonna have to be replacing that. Another thing that you don't anticipate is when I took the valve cover off, one of the lobes on the camshaft were kind of rough. So hopefully the machine shop can do something about it. So let me show you that. If you look at the cam lobe, right there, it's a little rough. So hopefully the machine shop can polish that out. Yeah, so not only for replacing the timing chain, we're also replacing these guides because that's what they look like. And another thing that we're going to have to do is check the block for flatness. So if it's out of spec, then the block is trash. The reason for that is because if you can see, I don't know how well you can see it, but the piston kind of protrudes slightly above the cylinder block, right? If you deck the block or machine the block slightly, yeah, you might get piston to head contact, or valve contact, and that is the reason why you don't usually deck the cylinder block and you replace it. But I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.